Hello viewers, this is your Nabonita Miss and today we are going to start the new chapter, chapter 5, History of Indian Tricolor, means our national flag. So let's see our national flag. Look at the picture. A national flag is a flag that represents and symbolizes a country. The national flag of India is the pride of all the citizens of the country. The national flag not only a symbol of freedom for ourselves, but a symbol of freedom to all people. The national flag went through a long process of evolution. Today we are going to discuss about this. Our national flag was designed by Pingali Venkaiah. It was adopted on 22nd July 1947 during the meeting of the Constituent Assembly. The flag was then unfurled on 15 August 1947 as the national flag of India. The flag has saffron, white and green bands with the Ashoka Chakra in navy blue in the center of the white band. We all know that. Evolution of our national flag. The changes in the design and the choice of the color of the flag were reflective of the political situation of that time. The first national flag had three horizontal bars of red, yellow and green colors. It was hosted in Kolkata in the year 1906 on 7th August. In the year 1907, Madame Vikaisi Kama hosted a similar flag in Paris. The next national flag was hosted in 1917 as part of the Home Rule movement by Annie Besant and Lokmanya Tilak. They were our freedom fighters. This flag had 9 horizontal bars of red and green color and 7 stars representing the Saptrices, means 7 rishis. In the year 1921, Pingali Venkaiah represented a flag made of red and green broad horizontal bars to Mahatma Gandhi during a meeting at Vijayawada. Present day, it's Vijayawada, situated in Andhra Pradesh. The colors represented the two major religions in India, Hinduism and Islam. On Gandhi's suggestion, the white bar was added representing the other religions of India. The image of spinning wheel was added as symbol of progress. In 1931, this tricolor flag was adopted with its saffron, white and green horizontal bars and the spinning wheel in the center as the Free India national flag by the Constituent Assembly. After independence, the spinning wheel was replaced by the Ashoka Chakra. Just follow the changes. Design of our national flag. The Indian national flag is made of 3 horizontal bars of the same width. The first bar is of saffron color which signifies strength and courage. The middle bar is white in color and represents peace and truth. And the third bar is green, indicating fertility, growth and auspiciousness of the land. The navy blue chakra in the center of the white bar represents continuity. The design was taken from the Dharma Chakra, means wheel of the law, at Sarnath, the capital of the Maurya Empire under Emperor Ashoka. Flag code. The Indian flag code underwent modification in the year 2002, 26 January, when for the first time the citizens of India were allowed to host the national flag at their homes and offices. Earlier, hosting of the national flag was restricted to national days. With this modification, it was possible to proudly host the national flag on any day, anywhere and anytime. But keeping in mind not to insult or disrespect it at any point. The flag code is made of three parts. The first part gives the description of the national flag, and the second part tells who all are allowed to display the national flag, such as members of the public and educational institutions, etc. And the third part of the code is devoted to the display of the national flag by the government organization and the agencies. Okay, so all of you go through the chapter. Thank you. Have a good day.